Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we talked about how ransomware is getting worse, and it's not just ransomware. Pretty much everything that is, trying to get into an account, getting access to, Facebook accounts and Messenger accounts and email accounts. And it's not just ransomware, it's everything that is malware driven, everything that is phishing attempts to get control of accounts. All of that is getting worse. It's been like that year after year after year. And of course, what comes up to a lot of people is, well, they need a good antivirus and they need a firewall, and it's useless. I'll say it again and again and again. People rely on these software thinking that, well, I got a good antivirus and I'm paying big bucks for it, and that's why I'm safe. No, that's not why you're safe. You're safe because you actually follow rules and you don't do stupid things with your computer. It's as simple as that. Nothing else. Of the millions of people that get bitten every year, they have every aspect of antivirus that you can actually imagine. Every company. So, it's not a question of having software that protects you, that prevents that. And that is the biggest problem. If it be the case, look at all the big companies that are getting actually, data theft, data stolen of all kinds. And it's like these companies have big gun security teams and, security everywhere. Did it prevent anything like that or ransomware to get into the systems? Nope. Nope, because the software is useless against that. It's a thing that's always been. It's a thing that is still today. It's even worse today. When I see companies like, antivirus companies come and say, hey, ours is the best. We have 100% proof. There's no 100% proof. They should be actually liable to, being sued just because they're saying that. Because that would mean, well, you won't get bitten and you won't have viruses in your PC. Ours is 100%. Nope, it's not. And it's barely detecting a lot of the malware and the ransomware today. So, when it's on the rise, it's simply saying that it's reaching more and more people that are not following rules. And I have to say, it is a tough one because people tend to worry about things that put them into that category of, well, I got bitten by ransomware because of. Once again, I'll say it again. The email is the number one way that a lot of people are getting problems. Attachments are a big issue. And of course, fake links to all sorts of crap is a big issue also. And it comes in the form of, you got a package that's waiting for you. Click on the attachment or click here or, don't do that. Are you expecting a package? If you are, you probably are expecting it from a company, a specific company that, told you, hey, we're going to use this company, this, U.S. Postal Service, or we're going to use UPS, or we're going to use Purolator or whatever. And that is where you follow your stuff. You follow it with what they told you, not an email that says some mysterious package that you're not waiting for is waiting for you somewhere. Nope, doesn't. That's a way to attract you into clicking something. Email attachments. There's an invoice for your payment to of $3,000 for something you never purchased, and they have the way to do it because they actually use fear. What is your worst fear? The first one is probably, losing all of your money or losing money into your bank accounts or credit card. It's a big fear. And so it tends to have people stop thinking right. And because they're in panic mode, they'll click something that, we just charged your credit card $4,000. How about going to see your credit card instead of clicking a link that tells you you're actually been charged $4,000 on your credit card? Think about it. That's the way you do it. If there's nothing on your credit card, it's a fake thing, and it is always a fake thing. The other biggest problem is, of course, instant messaging, Facebook, and instant messaging that has so much crap. And they get under fear once again of, oh, is this a video of you or is this a picture of you? What are you going to do? Especially because you're going to receive it from somebody that you know and often trust. That's why I say when your accounts get hacked, for example, a Facebook account, it's extremely important to tell everybody that you've been hacked. You know, when I hear somebody say, well, you know, if my email gets hacked, who cares? I'll start a new email. No, it's not the way. That's just thinking of yourself. And that's very selfish. You're not thinking that that email will be used in your name to your friends and family to send malware. And they could lose money. But of course, you're only thinking about your little person. And that's the biggest problem, is that no, you cannot think that because you lost an account, it doesn't matter. It does. It's extremely important. So all of that puts the risk high. All of that makes an increase in ransomware attacks, malware attacks, and phishing attempts and losing control of your accounts. And no, antivirus is not there to protect you from that. It does a minimal job. It will detect some stuff. It will not detect a lot of the stuff. So you being careful and knowing that you don't do these things is what keeps your computer safe. And it's always been like that. And it will always be like that. Be wise, be smart, and just make sure that you don't click everything you see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.